Hey, welcome to Lumière showroom. Come on in, take a look around. Hey guys, welcome to Lumière showroom. My name is Billy Lane. I'm the Director of Sales. Thank you for joining me today. We are just hanging out in my downtown showroom, which is located at Market Square Place. If you want to come by and have an appointment to see this wonderful place, let me know. You can shoot me an email or give me a call or even shoot me a text. We're going to go ahead and take a look at some of the options for the showroom right now. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right into it right now. We're gonna look at flooring. So if you see here, we have some of our standard flooring, these three here, and then we have some other great options for upgraded flooring. This is one of my favorites, oak slate. Got a nice little gray tone to it, but definitely have some great options for you. So the showroom itself is actually in one of the upgraded wood selections. It's the Simply White. If you take a look around, it's got a really cool look to it, and a lot of customers are digging the option. So we talked a little bit about the flooring. Now I want to transition over to not only our backsplashes, but to what goes into your bathroom for flooring as well as on your walls. Right here we have a lot of upgraded options for your tile. We have, everything from beveled subway tile to like a mosaic piece. So you got to come check out these cool options that we have. So we also have casing and molding option here. So our standard is the bottom, but you also have options for upgrades. And then over here we have our 3 standard carpets. These are for the bedroom. Nice little feature about our building though, you can actually upgrade to hardwood flooring in the bedrooms. Next up is going to be the kitchen, which is one of my favorites because we have a lot of cool options for you. I'd definitely like to tell you a little bit about them. Right here we have some of our standard quartz countertops here. We have a light, a mid, and a dark. A lot of the features that you're going to be able to select are kind of in that theme of light, mid, and dark. So it gives you, the customer, an option, which is nice. Standard appliances for the units are going to be Genair stainless steel, 4-range gas burner, a nice Genair microwave. Okay, so next up is actually going to be our bathroom section of the model. Really great features in here to choose from. You have lighted mirrors, for example, great vanity options, sink options, and shower accessory options.